Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my topic of English. So start now. A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means gained. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for goat, goat means bakri. H for hand, hand means hath. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for key, key means chabi. L for line, line means share. M for mango, mango means आम. N for nose, nose means नाक. O for orange, orange means Malta. P for pen, pen means pen. Q for Quran, Quran means Quran-e-Majid. R for rose, rose means गुलाब का फूल. S for sun, sun means सूरज. T for tree, tree means दरख्त. U for umbrella, umbrella means छतरी. V for van, van means bus. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for X-ray, X-ray means X-ray. Y for yolk, yolk means जर्दी. Z for zoo, zoo means चिड़ियाघर. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज का आपको इंग्लिश का लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा. इंशाल्लाह कल उर्दू लेक्चर के साथ मिलते हैं. अपनी मेज़बान ज़ेबन साहब को इजाज़त दीजिए. सी यू लेटर टुमारो स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर.